In this session, we are going to publish our book. So you're going to create paperback. Of course, you can also do a Kindle book, but here we are going to publish a paperback. The language is in English, and the book title has to be exactly the same as on your cover. So let's go back on our cover on Canva, and I will copy paste the title here. Without sugar. Then for the subtitle, which is optional, here you can see we are going to use ChatGPT or Bard, Google Bard, to create the perfect subtitle for this title. So how do I do that? I will copy paste the title in Bard, and you see it's still in French, but I will type my prompt in English so I get the result in English. So create a perfect subtitle for a KDP publication on Amazon for a book with the following title. Long, I will put long for a KDP publication with best-selling keywords, and it's generating a subtitle. Indulge your sweet tooth without the guilt, and I will copy-paste here. Here I want to focus on the diabetics too, so I will add a sentence who targets the diabetics. And you see 6 remaining characters, so we are good. If you want to launch a series of books, it's a very good idea. You can, for example, create a collection with desserts without sugar for diabetics, but you also can create a book with Mediterranean recipes without sugar, with low glycemic index. You can create a collection for different plates, different kind of food, like Indian food without sugar, Korean food without sugar, like a series. And you can also create a series also for all the niches that you want. For example, a series of books for kids with stories about a specific thing, like, I don't know, the planets, and then about the nature, about anything. Here, I'm going to choose a pen name. So I will keep. So like we saw previously, we had like a seller who has different pen names and selling different books under different pen names, which can be a strategy to sell on Amazon. You can also have the same pen names for a series of books. Contributors, none, and description. Here, I'm going to use Google Bard. So here, I'm going to ask Google Bard, then create a very long description with bullets, points about the benefits of having a diet without sugar and for diabetics. This description has to help to sell a lot of books on Amazon. And here you have a description. You have a lot of keywords: sugar-free desserts, healthy, weight management. So I will copy and paste this description on Amazon. You see, with AI, you will go faster in your publications. You don't have to think too much, but I suggest that you read several times to check if you don't have any mistakes here or nonsense. You have to be careful with what you're publishing, Publishing rights, I own the copyrights. Primary audience, sexually explicit images or title, no. Marketplace.com, but you can obviously publish on Amazon Australia or Amazon UK. And we are going to go for the categories. So I'm going to select health, fitness and dieting. And then I can select diets and weight loss. And here you have several things. Weight loss. And you click on add another category. You have the option to get 3 categories. I'm gonna select then cookbooks, food and wine, and special diet or desserts. And then add another category. I will go again for cookbooks, special diet, and here I will choose diabetic and sugar-free. And I will save my categories. Then I need to choose the keywords. So I will use again Bard, and I will ask find the perfect 7 long trail keywords for our book with the best options for selling our book. You can be more specific if you want. It's just to show you how to do that. This is really focused on diabetics. I will ask do it again, but not only for diabetics, but also for weight loss. And you will copy paste your keywords. Delicious and healthy dessert for weight loss here, and you copy paste your keywords. Easy to make. Low sugar and low calorie dessert recipes for diabetics. Guilt-free recipes and weight loss. Okay. Publication date. So I don't touch this, and for the release date I don't touch this neither because I release my book for sale now, but you can schedule your book's release if you want. So I will go and save. Then I'm on the second page of the publication. I will assign a free ISBN, which will be automatically added here on your book when it's published. So it's free and it's automatic. And then my printing options will be in standard color. Of course, you can publish in black and white, but for a cookbook with recipes and images, you want to be in color. And also for books for kids, but you can obviously create books in black and white for, I don't know, guides, things like this. I will check 8 by 10, bleed and matte, and I will go for my interior and I download my PDF that we did together, and I will do the same for the book cover. Here I'm gonna upload a cover I already have in PDF. So I got several times the same question following my previous classes about this, if you can publish like a Word document. So here you can for the interior, but not for the cover. I will upload my cover. And then it's very important because you have the part AI generated content. So here you need to be honest and tell the truth. Did you use AI tools in creating text, images, translations? Yes. So for the text, we add the entire work did with AI with minimal or no editing. I mean, we have reread the work, but we didn't edit too much. So here I will put Bard. Well, Google Bard. For the images, we have many AI generated image with minimal or no editing. And I will tell DALL-E, and here, Midjourney. And translation, none. And I will launch the previewer. So once you have your previewer here, you can check that you have your recipes and that you don't have any images that goes under the line, and you can approve when it's yellow. Here you can approve, and if you have some errors, some things to check and to correct, you will have something written here. So I will approve, and then you are here on this page and you have the printing costs. Okay, $5.91, and you save and continue. Then we will arrive on the pricing. You need to choose a price. So it's Amazon.com for the marketplace, and here you choose the price. So you see here that Amazon tells you that you need to put a price at a minimum of $9.86. You can have the strategy to put a low price because nobody knows you yet, nobody knows your book, you don't have any review at the beginning. So I will choose like $12, and you see here that you have $1.21 royalties. Obviously, if you have a network, if you have followers, I don't know, on a page, or if you already have potential sellers, you can put a higher price. You can try to put like $19 and you get a higher royalties. It's up to you. And you can choose also the price on other marketplaces, like in the UK. And I will put also for Amazon Australia, like I will keep that price here. And then you can publish your work. It can take up to 72 hours for your book to be available for purchase on Amazon. So you click on publish, or you can save as draft. So I see you in the next session.